Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, your friendly neighborhood cryptocurrency computer guy, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Xbox DVD movie playback kit. I gotta throw some stuff out. Which means it's time for me to tear this sucker down. I wanna know what's on the inside of her. It's probably gonna take a whole lot of clippy. This definitely comes from a time and a place when everybody loves to use clips instead of Phillips-head screws. There's probably a much better way for me to do this. One sec. That works. Alright, so it looks like the clips are on the front and one on the back, a few on the side for anyone who wants to get it a little nicer than I did. Don't mind the nail polish. My daughter just thought it'd be great to do my nails. Alright, now let's get into this part. Oh man, so many clips in there. So many clips. Really? Really? Oh, you guys look at this. It's just USB. It's basically just USB, but then again, I guess the original remote was just regular USB too, wasn't it? Nice scrape mark when I was trying to open it with a Phillips. I'll use the infrared. Wait, let me see what's on there, just in case someone cares. 424p. And that's what we got. Nope, that's just damage. Now I can finally throw this out and get rid of it. That's it for me, folks. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciate it, and take care of you. Oh yeah, also, bonus round. I found the squishy buttons. Squishy. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.